You know ready for evilness, Pablo beating stick, West Bank mine, no, we know do people think, chip me glad, friend killer, but no dog member, so no trick muscle and FORDLAWD.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. So basically, Malidan just drop a song, right? And right after that, Chronicler drop another song. And it's not a reply to Malidan's song, it's just another, it's a song titled Final Lap. So this might be Chronicler saying that this is his, you know what I mean, victory lap. This is the last song that he will sing in the clash. Let's see if it's a worthy final song. So we're gonna check it out right now, and you know what I mean, make we see what I want.
A place me tear down in a night. When you were run up a stadium in a tight. You know ready for evilness, Pablo beating stick, West Bank mine, no, we know the people think.
Yo, this hot. That song ya hot. That song ya sound good. That song ya have the vibes. That Chronicler sound like him serious. This is what we are talk about. You see me? Chronicler say, yo, upper stadium they are running a tights. You not ready for this one a beaten stick. You see me? You come hype up yourself over 6. No, we're not. Umbre, easy yourself. Yeah man, this sound ready.
Me chip me glad, that's the only switch. To fight start all for your one for kiss.
Chronicler say him switch him Glock. That's the only switch, which this is a reply to Malidan, Mr. Switchy. Malidan called him Chronicler, Mr. Switchy. Chronicler say, yo, the only switch him switch, I'm Glock. You see me? Him put that pan chip and him chip it and it switch. You see me? If he dep on safety, Glock not carry no safety still, but if he dep on safety, alright.
Listen to me and some pussy can't link back, cause them a friend killer, but no dog member, so no trick muscle and FORDLAWD. How comes
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just.
friend killer, but no dog member, so no trick muscle and FORDLAWD. How comes nobody not dead back for Joe dog right now? Fly good at take up down a bones yard.
Bumbo clean. Me can't believe Chronicler just do that. Chronicler say, yo, on a trick, muscle and FORDLAWD. Remember, you know, J-Man, they are prison right now because of the killing of muscle and FORDLAWD. You see me? Because them did allegedly, this is allegedly they squash them and Fredman and J-Man them, you know what I mean? Call them, link them up, say yo, them a deal with some business and Ray, and then them do some bombs and kill them allegedly. You see me? So Chronicler say yo, a chicken the chicken man them and kill him and them, and we know say yo, me can't link back. These are some real direct, hard hitting things that Chronicler say so far, and this for me already sound like one of his best song out of the entire clash. Me just gonna say that right now.
When you want train for your 4x1 pussy, female as a lemon 4 mile long, them a fish surround it with you on island. Can't vex with squash for your one night gang. Wonder, me I'm a one right gang. I cut the pump him out and know it sound like palm. Oh, shot together, so I couldn't fear shot.
Bumbo clean. Yo, that song you hot like fire. Chronicler say, yo, when you are trained for 4x1 in a champs and them thing there, my gun already 4 mile long. You see me? Long machine me a carry. Machine taller than me. You see me? So guess what now? Me, alright, pull it up back.
Sound like palm. Oh, shot together, so I couldn't fear shot. Them just repeating.
The dog say, yo, him could have fear shop done, him a shop done well, you know, well seal and everything, so the link can't pop. Him can't, and a fear him shop done, I rate the dog. And me him dog mention Sir P right there, so.
Information, no kill my dog and try to implicate man. So the nozzle just a flash up like a indicator. Get the indication, so one go link the station. When move.
Chronicler! This is why we say Chronicler is one of the most lyrical artists. You hear what the dog said? The dog say, yo, I wanna give Sir P information, wanna kill my dog and I try to implicate man. These are some lyrical bars right there. You see me? Sir P speak intensively and expound on the whole killing of, you know, Moby killing and all of these other things. So you must say, yo, I wanna give Sir P all of the information, make Sir P so knowledgeable about all of these things we're gonna talk about. You see me? Yeah, man. Song about one of Chronicler best song out of the album, out of the Clash so far. Yes, yeah, man.
Up on the plane, you hear me call you fear, man. If me know you did a pray, you dead a immigration. No more brain tan, me a alien. So up on gorilla, you a shoot up 3 songs. A rifle, a beat, pussy, we no play bands, them up.
Impressed. I am impressed. I am impressed by Chronicler creativity, Chronicler lyricism, and everything. I am impressed. Yes, I am impressed. If Chronicler realize that people like Pretty Dan, people on TikTok, people on Instagram, people on YouTube has been letting Chronicler know, la boss, look like the war will leave you. The war will leave you because you underestimate Malidan and you not take the war serious. So that's why the war will leave you and people are give Malidan him ratings and the song them come out good. But this song by Chronicler, if Chronicler no sing back another song, I'm okay with it because of this song right here. How wicked this song is. How bad this song is. Let's talk about it.
Operator, we do operation. See your punch, you get like a little waste man. But if me dead a yard, pussy you a swallow bass and can they try by your war up here land. Me no big side, me just stand in night dark and me been paranoid. Never rip a 7, now me never rip a 5. Me been a 6 before, now now we recognize. 9 ball round like leopard eyes. If I feel me future, you try jeopardize.
I mean, we've been through Chronicler though. We've been through what Chronicler is doing, and Chronicler just proved that what we were thinking is what is actually what he's actually doing, right? Malidan say, yo, pick a side. Make we know where you say, make we know where you deal with. Chronicler say, yo, Uno say me not pick no side. Okay, uno want me come say it. Alright then, me not pick no side. Me not say no 7 and me not say no 5. You see me? Me not say no 7 at Trinidad and me not say no 5. Even though there 5 is not a thing, you know what I mean? But me not say, him could have said anything else, but me not say no 5. So me just paranoid. And me just stay to myself and just pray everything will go on. Brawling.
All hear me dark, coulda what do paper light, take a life, catch a flight, pussy that a step alive. Me see wave and flings to one who no catch a ride. A bleach pan feature, remember your target. Say me and your teacher, kill them a time square. Fuck your visa, Glock 23, big belly talking eater. One more the paper fridge turn up the freezer. That be done with the 15, I go the creeper. Hey.
If Chronicler did approach a war like this in the initial stages, people would have said Chronicler is nobody to play with. And Chronicler really and truly dug deep for this one and really came out with something like the song wicked, the song bad. The man say, yo, Malidan sleep on the floor. Sleep on carpet. I'm place. Sleep on carpet in a studio. Bleach for your collaboration. They around them. Talk it all the time. Say, yo, them man they are my teacher, them man they me look up to, them man they want to, you know, do the music like. So basically, Chronicler, I take Malidan back to school. I show him say, me are the same source and the same man who you want to be like, and nothing not change. Me only growing and getting better and better and better. And me go teach you the same thing where you did want to learn from me. Me I go teach you it right now. And this is the method. You know what I mean? So follow the methodology. Yeah, man.
Suck your mama, we now fi deal back. But me still a kill my lay and not say free squash.
The dog, this everybody and say, yo, suck no mother, Ray. Me still a kill Mali in the clash. We now fi deal back. Me a squash me, you now fi deal back. But me still a say, free you. You see me, cause we now wish prison upon none of you them. And that was a good move. You know what I mean?